Hey fam! Before we jump into this powerful story, take a second to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's dive into a story that will blow your mind. Meet Michael Walker, a successful hotel owner about to teach his staff an unforgettable lesson about prejudice. Dressed in casual jeans and a jacket, he walked into his own luxury hotel, looking like any other guest. But he wasn't there for a stay. He was there to see how his staff really treated people based on appearance. The moment he approached the front desk, the discrimination was crystal clear. Tom, the receptionist, couldn't even be bothered to look up. When he finally did, his face said it all: pure judgment and disdain. "Can I help you?" Tom's voice was ice cold, making it obvious Michael wasn't welcome. Michael calmly asked about room availability, even though he knew exactly how many rooms were free. It was his hotel after all. Without even checking the system, Tom dismissed him instantly. "Sorry, all rooms are booked." Then he turned away, acting like Michael had vanished into thin air. But Michael wasn't about to back down. He mentioned his reservation, which triggered more eye rolls and sighs from Tom. That's when another staff member, Anna, whispered loud enough for everyone to hear, "Maybe we should just kick him out." The situation exploded from there. Security was called, and two burly guards approached Michael, ready to physically remove him from the premises, his own property. The irony would have been funny if it wasn't so deeply disturbing. Just as one guard reached for Michael's arm, he pulled out his wallet. "It seems you don't know who you're dealing with." The ID card he revealed hit like a thunderbolt. Owner, Walker Hotel Group. The transformation was instant. Tom's arrogant smirk vanished. Anna's whispers turned to stammers. The security guards practically tripped over themselves backing away. The lobby fell dead silent. "You didn't know?" Michael's voice was steady but powerful. "Did you need to know who I was to show basic respect?" But Michael wasn't there for apologies or to watch them squirm. He wanted real change. In the manager's office minutes later, he laid down the law. "This isn't about one incident. This is about changing a system that allows prejudice to thrive. I want complete staff retraining, new policies, and regular assessments. My hotels will set the example for how all guests should be treated." Later that evening, Michael called his wife Leah, who'd always supported his fight against discrimination. "You didn't just expose their bias today," she said. "You gave them a lesson they'll never forget." Michael's story isn't just about one man standing up to prejudice. It's about using privilege and power to create real change. He could have stayed silent, could have let it slide, but he chose to fight, not just for himself, but for everyone who's ever been judged by their appearance. Before leaving, Michael had one final message for Tom and Anna. This wasn't just a mistake. You acted on biased assumptions. But now you have a chance to learn and grow. Use it. This powerful story shows us that change is possible, but only if we're brave enough to stand up and demand it. It reminds us that respect isn't something that should be earned by showing an ID or proving your worth. It's a basic human right that everyone deserves. Fam, if this story moved you, don't forget to smash that like button. Fist. Your support helps us share more stories that expose discrimination and celebrate justice served. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or similar experiences. Your voice matters in this conversation. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to join our community fighting for equality. Together we can make a difference, one story at a time. See you in the next video. Victory Hand.